Ideal's latest test equipment in the CCTV industry, SecuriTEST. Video level tester, digital multimeter, CCTV field monitor, PTZ controller, UTP cable tester, protocol analyzer, and video signal generator. Ideal's SecuriTEST will have all of these features. The SecuriTEST features a CCTV field monitor which connects the camera into SecuriTEST Video In. You can set the focus and direction of the camera. The video level display on the monitor helps to find the video signal line loss. The SecuriTEST features a video signal generator. It generates a color signal to test all video equipment. It combines most basic instruments, including an ampere meter, voltmeter, ohm meter, and continuity tester. The SecuriTEST has a function of analyzing the PTZ command and displays the protocol code on its monitor. It controls and programs a variety of pan-tilt dome cameras. This will allow CCTV installers to test the PTZ at the actual job site. The SecuriTEST features a UTP cable tester. It automatically inspects the UTP wire and displays the status in detail. It also provides a built-in stand for the best viewing position. And with the built-in rechargeable battery, you can work continuously for up to 4 hours. SecuriTEST, the ideal test equipment provided by Ideal, the best solution.